500 million horsepower. Shaft bronze. NHRA victory. All right now on FCA Replay. Dodge, America's performance brand, leveraged its unrivaled performance, unmatched horsepower, and industry-exclusive Dodge Power Dollars program to blow past its goal of growing to 500 million horsepower by the end of the year. The Power Dollars program, which gave customers who purchased any 2019 Dodge Challenger, Dodge Charger, or Dodge Durango a $10 per horsepower cash allowance, allowed the brand to reach its 500 million horsepower goal 2 months early. Stay tuned for a social media event to thank the brand's loyal fans. The FCA Sterling Heights Assembly Plant has been awarded bronze status for its efforts in implementing world-class manufacturing, the company's manufacturing methodology. The suburban Detroit truck plant, which launched production of the all-new Ram 1500 in 2018, demonstrated know-how and competence through employee-conducted presentations and a review of projects implemented across the shop floor. World-class manufacturing is a methodology that engages employees to provide and implement suggestions on how to improve their jobs and their plants, promoting a strong sense of ownership. The Sterling Heights Assembly Plant is the 24th North American facility to reach the milestone award. Two-time NHRA Funny Car World Champion Matt Hagan rekindled his chances for the 2019 Funny Car Points Championship following his win in the 34th annual AAA Texas NHRA Fall Nationals. Hagan drove the Western Technical College Mopar capped Dodge Charger SRT Hellcat wide-body funny car to the 32nd win of his career and his third career triumph at Texas Motorplex. With the win, Hagan jumps from 7th to 4th in the championship standings with 2 races remaining. Those are this week's top stories on FCA Replay. Reporting for FCA Digital Media, I'm Edward Cardenas.